I had so much stuff in my car. I'm ready to start doing some stuff today. I might try to put these better bar end mirrors on today. Alright, I'm gonna start snipping this out so we can get over to the other side pretty easily. Trying to find a way to connect all the lights and stuff. The electricity in that garage is kind of butt, so I mean, we got this. Jake wants to get the one with USBs for our phone, and I don't want to spend $2. We got some lights from Menards, and they were cheaper than they said they were going to be, which is awesome. We got 40,000 lumens. Is it going to be too much?
Who knows?
Probably. Maybe. Hopefully. After we plugged your lights in.
Yeah.
I feel like it's soaked up all the light. Something about that dark.
Mm-hmm. I think we'll be good, but we'll see when we will see when we get back.
Stay tuned to watch us hang some lights. The light is stuck. I'm gonna go from the bottom. Look how much easier that was. All right, 60,000 lumen light.
20,000.
20,000. 60,000. Crazy. We're gonna try it Jake's way. I don't want to go. Am I going the right way? Yes. I guess we won't need the chains. There-ish. Here-ish. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Dude, that's sweet. Oh yeah,
This is perfect.
That's gonna be plenty of light. Maybe 2 more up here eventually. Oh, I got a hot spot on the back wall. This is definitely plenty of light. We're gonna be good.
For now, at least.
Yeah, for now at least.
Pretty happy with it.
It's nice that we can close these doors in the winter. And maybe this heater will do it. It's obviously not airtight. We got some light and stuff coming in. There's holes in the ceiling like we said, but this is definitely way better. We got the lights up. That was the main thing we wanted to do.
So we are back in the car because while we were at Menards, we forgot we wanted shelving. So we're about to go to Lowe's probably instead to get shelving.
Nope, can't say the name. We're gonna go to the Blue Hardware Store, the unaffiliated Blue Hardware
store. We went to the green hardware store earlier. Now we're going to the blue hardware store.
No one's paying me.
We're probably not going to the orange hardware store.
Guy, if we go to all 3 colors today.
All 3 color hardware stores.
That'd be terrible. Yeah, my dad always says a project's not done until you've been to the hardware store at least 3 times. Look at that shelf. It's gonna make this garage into a home. Old Spice car air fresheners. The only air freshener that's worth buying.
Please sponsor us, Old Spice.
I will name that one. It'd be nice to get all the stuff that's on that table, on the shelf, in a semi-organized way. And then I think, I mean, if we want to look at the roof.
Yeah, we can.
But then after that, I think we're as done as we're going to be before we get your bike down there.
Yeah. So, get back to the shop and I guess we'll call it the shop.
Yeah, we'll see how it works. All right, so we got a shelf. We can be organized. I think Jake and I are similar in the fact that we like our workspaces to be organized.
I think most people would.
It helps me feel like I can get more accomplished.
Mm-hmm.
But here, I'll just give you a quick overview look of the entire garage now.
So not too different from when we started this morning, but it's definitely better.
Yeah, the
organized. organized.
Motorcycles will come back over here. We'll do a deeper clean once it's warmer.
We're gonna use this table for parts for my bike, most likely. We're gonna start taking it apart hopefully within the next couple weeks here. We can get it down here, so. So here's the roof we were trying to show you in the last video. I think it could be cleaned up a little bit, but it's not too bad.
The gutters, I think.
Yeah,
Matter.
I would like to clean the gutters for sure.
Well, guys, thanks for tuning in. I think this is going to be the last episode about trying to get this space cleaned up.
Until it gets warm at least.
Yeah.
We're still gonna fix some things up, but
So next step would be
getting my bike down here and started taking it apart and rebuild it. So hopefully that can happen within the next couple weeks here. So
yeah, I'm really excited to get the bike down here and start working on it.
I just can't wait to take everything apart.
Yeah. So that'll be fun. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
There's a car.
There's a car. Make sure you subscribe to watch us tear down a Honda and don't know what we're doing. All right.
See ya.
See ya. Hold on. Look, do that again.
I don't understand why.
The sun's like right behind you.
Oh.